Today, I am about to show you AI websites so crazy, so powerful, they almost feel illegal, but they're 100% illegit. From one that can create music in seconds to one that literally does your homework, the future is here. It's a little bit scary and awesome. Stick around to the end because the last one blew my mind to another dimension. First up is SoundRaw. This AI literally allows you to create music in under 1 minute. Pick a mood, engineer, set a length, hit generate, and boom, it's creating a song just for you. I tested it myself, and honestly, it feels like I hired a mini music producer trapped inside my laptop. It is perfect for YouTubers, TikTokers, or if you just want to vibe without any copyright strikes. Yes, it's legal. You won't get sued. Have you ever gotten a parking ticket you didn't deserve? And imagine a robot fighting that ticket for you. Welcome, do not pay. This AI lawyer can help you contest parking fines, unsubscribe to spam emails, cancel subscriptions, and even negotiate bills. Bro, this AI knows more law than me after me binge watching 10 seasons of lawsuits. What? You just answer a few questions, click submit, and do not pay sends a legal sounding letter like a boss. It's like having a spectre in your pocket without an expensive suit. Now, if you ever hated writing essays in school, or still do, Writesonic is a new best friend. You can feed it with simple topics like why is pizza the best food ever, and to spit out full, well-structured blog posts, citations, and all. Blog posts done. Homework done. Email marketing done. Time to chill while your AI interns do the heavy lifting. Teachers and bosses will be so confused how it got smart overnight. You know those annoying photo bombers that are ruining your pictures? Cleanup.pictures is a Photoshop minus stress. You upload a picture, circle anything you don't want, and poof, it's gone like it never existed before. I literally deleted an X from my vacation photos. AI therapy? Anyone. It is free, no skills needed. Even your grandma could do it. If you run a business, selling online, or are just a super nosy, Browse.ai will change your life. It is an AI web scraper, meaning it will go to a website, collect information you want, organize it neatly, and then deliver it to you, no coding needed. Want competitor prices, hotel rates, Freddy shoes, done. Set it up and it updates automatically. It's like having a tiny robot spying for you 24/7, not creepy at all. Wait, I'm not done yet. Remove.bg instantly removes photo backgrounds like magic. Playground AI creates realistic AI images. Talk to books. Google's AI lets you have conversation with books. Runway ML. Grow video editing powered by AI. These websites are so good that I feel I'm cheating at life. But remember, they're 100% legal, at least for now. If you found any website that blew your mind, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more insane tech secrets every week. Trust me, next week's video is even crazier. See you legends in the next one. Peace out.